today I'm going to show you how to make the most Vietnamese noodle phở. But instead of make the phở soup, today I make stir fry phở. This one. And also today is the Buddha birthday, so I make the vegan version of stir fry phở. Let's start.
Cut all ingredients to be about 2 fingers long. The tofu you slightly deep fry it. And the wood ear mushroom, you need to sink it in water about 20 minutes before you cook. For carrot, you cut it thinner than other ingredients because carrot take longer time to be cooked. Cabbage and beans brown, it's cooked very fast, so we will put it last. And for spring onion and coriander, it's for garnish. For Vietnamese, the vegan food, we don't use garlic or purple onion, so that's why when we do the heat the oil, we don't put the garlic inside. The process of stir fry the carrot, it takes longer for carrot to be cooked, so we will spend about 5 minutes to stir fry the carrot. Oh, the color is become beautiful. Next one, you put wood ear mushroom, and after that we put some tofu in. Wow, the smell so good already. Tofu. But when you put the tofu, stir fry slightly, because if we do so strong, the tofu can be broken. And after that, put some seasoning powder. Yeah, so the seasoning powder will absorb into the mushroom, carrots, and tofu. And next one, put the vegetable, cabbage. So the last one, add in the phở noodle and the stir fry. Yeah, and put in about 1 teaspoon of seasoning powder. Stir the rice again and put the coriander and spring onion on top. Yeah, now it's about ready.